How to apply as a GrabFood driver. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to apply as a GrabFood driver. First of all, open up the web browser. After opening the web browser, search how to apply as a GrabFood driver. Then click to open the site of Grab. Once you get into its site, scroll down and find out the steps through which you can register as a food driver. Choose the city and fill up all the details until complete. For registration, click here. Later, you will be contacted by our admin to explain all the registration process. After your account has activated, you can pick up the Grab kit at Grab Driver Center. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.